Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import a bank statement here at Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account. Now, instead of clicking on banking, go ahead over to documents right here. Now, here we have bank statements. Okay, click on it, and once done, you have the enable now button that says I'll upload your bank statements from email. Just enable it. Okay, wait for it to load. Now you can go ahead over to the top right and upload a file right here. Now just add in or select your bank statement, hit on open. Just for example, this file right here. And what you'll do is just click on add to bank. Okay, just make sure that you select an account right here at the top. Okay, make sure that you already have accounts right here under your bank or bank details under your banking module. Select it, hit on next. And once done, all you need to do is just map the fields. Okay, it will just ask you about the amount column type, the character encoding. Just basically select UTF-8 Unicode and the file delimiter. Okay, hit on next, follow simple prompts, and in no time your bank statement will be imported right here under your Zoho Books account. And the other option is by going to banking right here in the left panel. Now, as you can see here, when we go ahead and select one of our bank like so, at the top right, you can go ahead over to bank statements. Right here, as you can see, you have the import statement option. Just click on it, choose a file. Once you have selected your file, click on next. Now you're going to map the fields as shown previously right here, and preview it and save. There you have it. That is how you import a bank statement here in Zoho Books. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.